See how hydrating the SPF is.
Please, for vanity purpose, you need this for.
Unboxing this parcel here from TikTok. Hi guys, good morning. This is an attempt to actually come back here on YouTube after some months. So we're actually 4 months postpartum. Just had my bath and I'm just gonna do a little skincare. Use the little towel just to clean my neck, but I'm just going to allow it to air dry. And I'm using this vitamin C from L'Oreal. I'm using this vitamin C for I think almost a year now, and it's okay actually. It's simple, it's okay. I'm going to be using this one on my lip because that's what I use on my lip. Because I have very thick lip, and you guys, all the lip glosses I use down to Fenty, it only keeps a plump for some minutes and it's all gone. So for a while now I haven't bought any lip gloss. Like I haven't, just been using this one, and then I still have some just at the tip on my other lip glosses like Fenty and MAC. So you see, I don't think they're working. So quickly, we're not really going out, but we're going to use my SPF sunscreen. So I'm using this one by Garnier. So this is it. This is the one I'm using, and it's very affordable. So it's very affordable. That's why I'm using it. I've been using it on repeat for like almost 8 months now. So this is it. Yeah, you know what they say about white cast? It doesn't have it. It's going to blend into my face. Like you're not going to see any white cast. Okay? See where I'm applying it. I'm not a skincare guru, so don't come for me. To my eyes, man. And you can see no white cast. You see that? That's my face. And everything, that's me. See, no white cast. So I'm going to go downstairs. We want to have breakfast, and I want to do some laundry. So I want to wash the boys' clothes, just a few of them. That's what I'm going to do. Then we want to do a deep cleaning of the house. I don't know if I'm going to show you this deep cleaning. So this is my face. I'm just bringing it close to the light so you can see how hydrating the SPF is, and also the vitamin C. You can see how it is. Okay. Yeah. I'll put a little smile. Well, good. Oh my God, did you hear that big? This boy. Poop, poop. We gotta change you, Bobo. We gotta change you. You poop, 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 poop. poo. You poo. I have been waiting for him to actually poo. He wanted to poo. Bobo, we need to change you. We need to get you changed. Yes. Oh my Bobo. We need to get you changed, okay? Do you like it? I just gave you a little. Do you like it? But listen, this lady, this. I love you. Do you love mommy? Let me close your bum before you do another one. Eh? Let's have another one.
So this is the base.
Just by now before you talk again. Imagine. So it's for vanity purpose you need $6 million for.
Yeah. So excited. You're so excited. So I got a parcel from TikTok shop. Sincerely, I don't know how they're going to look like. I just thought of buying them from TikTok. And yes, I am on TikTok. If you haven't followed me yet, it's the Lady Elfrida on TikTok. So please follow me. First off, we got this bag. Is this a bag or a purse? Purse. Yeah, I think it's actually good for the money. Yeah, this is it. Trying to see how. Oops. It does this. Okay. This is actually. Oh, right. So it's something like this. So you put it in this way and close it. I think this is how it is. Yeah, not bad. It's lovely. And I plan to use it for an outing that we have together. So what do you think? What do you guys think? This is not bad. And I'm going to be putting the link down in the description if you want to get it. Okay, so the next thing I got, yay! I got some hand jewelry, some bangles. Oh, this is lovely. They are actually lovely. I usually do not used to buy this, but as my fashion sense, grew, I started loving things like this and wanting to get, I love when I actually see them on other girls, like other women, females in general. So I thought of buying, and I saw it on TikTok and I'm like, I am going to get this. And it's actually not expensive. It's not. Okay, wait, I actually think I just hook my okay. See, imagine using this on like a very lovely dress or maybe a lovely top and trousers, like top on trousers. It's going to be very lovely. Another thing I've thought of is to change my ring, because my ring is in silver and I've thought of changing or like having the gold version of it. So yes, so that it's going to fit when I'm having like my gold jewelries on. Basically, I know it's better to whoosh. Since I would be having my wristwatch here, it's better to have the jewelries here. It's making like a whole lot of noise. This is lovely. I love them, and you can actually decide to just use one. Like this first one is bold, so see, this first one is bold. I like it. So this is the wristwatch that I got. Let me show you guys. It's also a gold wristwatch, and it came with some little that didn't end well. Guess what? It is got so this is actually not strong at all, and that's why I didn't plan to use them. That's why I bought those ones separately. I just knew that this ones would be this is very little. This feels like for a little child. Nah. Let's see. Maybe I'll just increase this one to this. Let's see. See this one. Actually, doesn't feels inferior, but this is actually the main attraction. This is what I got. Okay, I'm actually not a wristwatch fan, sincerely, because this is lovely. I would rather buy expensive bags, expensive shoes, expensive hair than buy an expensive wristwatch. Like, if you want me to choose, really. I'm not really a wristwatch person. At this point, at this point, this is lovely. This is lovely. At this point, I just put them on just because of, just to complement my dressing, really. And sincerely, all your fashion girlies, if you ask them, most of them are not wristwatch people. They just put them on to actually complement what they're putting on. Yeah. So this is lovely. And this is what I was telling you guys. I want to change this. I want to not just change, but I want to have a good version of my ring so that it looks lovely. So it matches what I'm wearing for that day. I actually love this wristwatch. I love it. I love the color. Obviously it's not gold, like pure gold. It's just what it is. I'm going to be putting the links in the description so that you guys can You get whichever one. And I think the last thing that I bought, so little. It's so little. What is this? It's supposed to be an eyebrow gel. Yeah, it's supposed to be an eyebrow gel, but it's so little. See this? It's an eyebrow gel. I don't know if it's doing the work, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I actually bought everything under 15 pounds. Lovely. Well, so you guys see that I'm not regretting anything. I'm buying from TikTok shop. I've been buying a lot of things there, so I do not regret. Yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.